Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher, and today we're on the all-new 2023 Nautique S25. So we move to the bow of this boat. You're going to see a nice deep structure here. This is going to make a great ride for the bathtub effect we get out here on Lake of the Ozarks. Come on down, let's walk to the back of the boat. You walk back to see this beautiful paint job. Catch a lot of attention with sparkles on this. Come around to the back of the boat. Down underneath here you can see this model is equipped with the steer assist as well as a boarding ladder. Alright, come on up, let's take a look inside of this boat. See a nice seating area back here. You want to put on your board, just hang out at anchor. Alright, as we come inside here, have a great big area in here, so a lot of people can fit in here. If you surf a lot, 18 people is what this boat is rated for. If you needed more rear facing to see the surf, pull this seat out here, and this seat comes up, and this seat, just like that, comes up as well. Put this back down, you have an easy boarding area and seat. Come inside to the helm here, you're going to see our Nautique glass dash over here positioned so you can have maximum visibility out the front, as well as your race inspired Nautique seat with bolster. Once again, I'll reiterate, nice deep front up here, so riding 3-4 people up here, no big deal. Not going to gulp any water over the front end. Great boat for Lake of the Ozarks. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks, have a great day.